second.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are following our channel, you will be knowing apart from the electronics and programming videos, we also have a separate playlist on DIY projects in which we also make use of wood, aluminum and metal for our projects. For such cases, I was thinking to get an angle grinder and finally I decided to go with this BuilDSKILL 900 watts variable speed angle grinder, and these are the specifications. So in this video, let's unbox and see how the product looks and also do a quick test. BuilDSKILL offers three variants of grinders: 850 watts, 900 and 1100 watts, but I have selected the 900 watts variable speed variant. The product comes with 6 months of warranty. Make sure you activate it using the QR code. Inside the box, we get these contents: a user manual, additional carbon brushes, handle, a metallic wheel guard, wrench, and a grinding machine. Coming to the product features and the specifications, it comes with a quick changeable metallic safety guard, which can be easily adjusted using this lock. Handle support on both left and right side. The product feels solid and comes with good finish and weighs about 1.7 kgs. It has 900 watts copper motor for high performance and durability. It supports 6000 to 11,000 RPM, and you can easily vary the speed using this knob. And you can use M10 100 blades on this machine. On-off switch is placed on the left side, and they have provided 1.8 meters of cable length. Since this machine comes with variable speed control, you can easily use it for different applications like cutting, grinding, and buffing. So now I'll do some quick testing. This machine performs well for both grinding and cutting applications. Overall, it's a value for money product since they are offering 900 watts motor and variable speed option at this price range. I purchased this product for 2599. I'll also leave the product link in the description box. If you are interested, you can check out. For any queries, reach us on the comment section. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next one.